Making your first $10,000 can feel like climbing a mountain. It's a milestone that represents financial independence and the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Many people dream of reaching this goal but feel overwhelmed by the steps needed to get there. Imagine waking up and checking your bank account, seeing that you've hit that $10,000 magical number. It's not just about the money, it's about the confidence and freedom that comes with it. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to boost your current income, the steps outlined here will provide a clear path to success. By following this guide, you'll learn how to set goals, identify income sources, manage your budget, and invest wisely. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Earning your first $10,000 is more than just a financial milestone. It's a symbol of your ability to set and achieve goals. It shows that you have the discipline to save, the creativity to find income sources, and the wisdom to invest. This achievement can boost your confidence and open up new opportunities. By reaching $10,000, you're proving to yourself that you can manage your money effectively. This foundation is crucial for future financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement, the skills you learn along the way will serve you for a lifetime. The impact of earning your first $10,000 extends beyond your bank account. It can reduce stress, increase your sense of security, and give you the freedom to make choices that align with your values and dreams. Let's get into the first step, setting a clear goal. Setting a clear goal is the first step to making your first $10,000. Without a specific target, it's easy to get lost or distracted. Start by deciding exactly how much you want to make and by when. Write it down and keep it somewhere visible. Break your goal into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, if you aim to earn $10,000 in 1 year, that's about $833 per month or roughly $28 per day. These smaller targets make the overall goal feel more achievable and help you track your progress. Celebrate each milestone to keep your motivation high. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture yourself reaching your goal and think about how it will feel. Share your goal with friends or family who can offer support and hold you accountable. With a clear goal in mind, you're ready to move on to the next step, identifying potential income sources. Identifying potential income sources is crucial to making your first $10,000. Start by evaluating your current skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These questions can help you find opportunities that are both lucrative and enjoyable. Consider freelancing, part-time jobs, or starting a small business. The gig economy offers numerous opportunities to earn extra income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit connect freelancers with clients looking for various services. Whether you're a writer, designer, or handyman, there's likely a demand for your skills. Explore these platforms and find gigs that match your expertise. Don't overlook passive income sources. Investments, rental properties, and online businesses can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Networking can also open doors to new income opportunities. Keep an open mind and be proactive in seeking out new ways to earn money. Creating a budget and tracking expenses are essential steps in reaching your $10,000 goal. Start by listing all your income sources and expenses. Categorize your spending to see where your money is going. This detailed overview will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Use budgeting tools or apps to simplify the process. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can help you track your spending, set savings goals, and monitor your progress. Prioritize your expenses. Focus on needs over wants and allocate funds to essential categories first, such as housing, food, and transportation. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so do your financial needs. Remember, a budget is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires attention and flexibility. Saving and investing wisely are key components in making your first $10,000. Start by setting up an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses and provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. Look for high-yield savings accounts to maximize your savings. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Automate your savings to ensure consistent contributions. Investing can significantly boost your income. Start with low-risk options like index funds or mutual funds, which offer diversification and steady returns. Avoid high-interest debt, as it can quickly erode your savings. If you have existing debt, prioritize paying it off before making significant investments. By managing your debt effectively, you can focus more on growing your wealth. If you're enjoying the content, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content to help you achieve your financial goals. Watch these videos daily for tips and motivation. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards their first $10,000 and beyond. Share your progress, challenges, and successes in the comments section below. Your stories can inspire others and create a supportive community. I believe in you. Let's work together to achieve financial goals and celebrate each milestone along the way. Inspirational success stories examples. Hearing about even fictional success story examples can be incredibly motivating and can give you ideas. Take, let's say, Jane, for example. She started with a goal of making an extra $500 per month by freelancing as a graphic designer. She joined Upwork, and within a year, she had not only reached her $10,000 goal, but also built a thriving freelance business. Then there's Mike, who turned his hobby of woodworking into a profitable side hustle. By selling his handmade trinkets on Etsy, he was able to make an extra $1,000 per month. Another inspiring story is that of Sarah, a single mom who managed to save $10,000 by meticulously budgeting and cutting unnecessary expenses. She started to shop at discount grocery stores like Aldi and made her own coffee at home instead of purchasing it at Starbucks. By educating herself and making smart choices, she saved $425 per month and saved about $10,000 within 2 years. Let's quickly detail the key steps to making your first $10,000. Start by setting a clear and specific goal. Break it down into smaller, manageable milestones to keep yourself motivated. Identify potential income sources, including your current job and other passions that align with your skills and interests. Explore both active and passive income opportunities. Creating a budget and tracking expenses is crucial. Use tools and apps to simplify the process and ensure you're living within your means. Prioritize essential expenses and allocate funds to savings and investments. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track. Saving and investing wisely can significantly boost your income. Avoid high-interest debt and focus on growing your wealth through smart financial decisions. Celebrate each milestone and learn from any setbacks. Take the first step now. Now that you have a clear roadmap, it's time to take action. Set your goal, identify your income sources, create your budget, and start saving and investing. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Don't wait for the perfect moment because there never is a perfect moment. Start now and adjust as you go. Join our community for ongoing support and motivation. Share your goals and progress with us, and let's celebrate each milestone together. Engage with our content, ask questions, and connect with others who are on the same journey. Together, we can achieve great things. Your financial future is in your hands, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Your path to financial freedom. Achieving your first $10,000 is a significant milestone on your path to financial freedom. It requires setting clear goals, identifying income sources, creating and sticking to a budget, and making wise saving and investment decisions. Each step of the journey builds valuable skills and confidence that will serve you well in the future. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Celebrate each small victory and learn from any setbacks. Stay patient and persistent, and don't be afraid to seek support from our community and resources. You have the power to achieve your financial goals and create the life you want. The path to your first $10,000 is within reach, and with dedication and hard work, you can make it happen. Here's to your financial success and the exciting adventures ahead. And this next video can help you on your new adventure.